How to enable Face ID on Truist app. In order to enable Face ID on Truist app, first of all, you want to ensure Face ID is set up on your device. Then you just want to log into your Truist app. So what you want to do is, first thing first, open the Truist mobile banking app, log into your account. So before you start, make sure that this feature is enabled. So for that, you just want to go to your settings on your device and locate Face ID and passcode, or you could also find it in the system section. Here, what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and look for these options. You could also find it in security and privacy section. You then want to go to the privacy control, something like this, and that's how you're going to set up or enable Face ID. Now, once that you've done this, what next you want to do is open up your Truist online banking app and sign in with your username and a password for the first time. Moving on, you then want to tap onto the profile icon from the home page and select Settings. As you've done that, you want to look for the Face ID or a biometric options and tap on it. Next thing you want to do is enable the feature on and confirm. You'll be prompted to enter your username and a password to activate a Face ID for the app. And that's how you're going to enable Face ID on Truist app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.